Haroon Rasheed is often remembered as a powerful Abbasid caliph, but beneath the grandeur lies a darker chapter. Haroon Rasheed, the man who held immense power, is also remembered for a heinous act, the murder of Imam Musa Al-Kazim, a revered figure in Shia Islam. His reign was marked by atrocities against the followers of Imam Ali and Shia Muslims. Haroon's policies targeted those who held steadfast to the teachings of the Ahlulbayt. The followers of Imam Ali faced persecution and discrimination. Haroon Rasheed's rule cast a shadow of fear over those who sought to uphold the principles of justice and piety. Despite the oppression, the Shia community persisted, with leaders and scholars courageously preserving and disseminating the teachings of the Ahlulbayt. As we reflect on history, let us not forget the struggles faced by those who stood for justice, and let it serve as a reminder of the importance of upholding principles of tolerance and understanding in our world today.